MicroSD cards allow you to easily expand the capacity of many devices, but it's not as straightforward as just packing a bunch of gigabytes into a small memory card. The best MicroSD cards also need to offer high speeds and reliability. These are essential when you are moving large files to and from the card. But with so many options available, identifying the best MicroSD cards on the market is not an easy task. So, in today's video, we've carefully selected the top MicroSD flash memory cards that you can use in smartphones, cameras, drones, and even game consoles.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
The SanDisk Ultra MicroSD is a brilliant microSD card for people who are looking for large capacities, with the highest version offering up to 512GB of storage space. That should give you plenty of room for storing high-resolution images and video files. Write speeds are good, but they are not the fastest we've seen. If you shoot in 4K, there might be an issue, but the slightly slower speeds are worth it for many people for the amount of storage space you get. The 16GB and 32GB versions of their Ultra range of microSD cards offer maximum transfer speeds of up to 98MB per second, while the higher storage versions, going all the way up to 512GB, bump that up to 100MB per second. So if you want a budget microSD card with decent speed and large capacity, then the SanDisk Ultra MicroSD should be your pick. The Lexar 1000X isn't the fastest microSD card here, but it has a lot going for it. For example, its read speeds are still some of the fastest around at 150MB per second. While it falls short with its write speeds of 90MB per second, the difference won't be too noticeable for many people. It also comes with a microSD to USB 3.0 adapter, which makes it easy to transfer your files to a PC. The new Lexar Professional 1000X is a nice addition to the company's memory card portfolio and the general microSD market. With its 256GB capacity, this card can store a massive amount of media in high-end devices such as cameras, smartphones, and tablets, while reducing the need to switch out memory cards when space becomes limited. This is particularly useful for professionals on the go and those who have limited access to their devices when in use, like drones and GoPros. It may not be the fastest and its performance isn't consistent, but with an included USB adapter and a good price, it is quite worthy to be bought. Whether you want to transfer photos or 4K Ultra HD videos, this UHSI memory card is ideal for those who deal with various types of media. The card provides fast read and write speeds and is A2 rated for high-quality app performance. The microSD has up to 170MB per second read speeds and up to 90MB per second write speeds, making it a very fast card and with smaller files. It's even faster, which means that this is a great card for action cams, drones, or burst photography. The SanDisk Extreme Plus microSD card has a high capacity of up to 256GB, which can optimize the memory of your drone or camera. Again, it's a bit on the pricey side, but if you don't mind spending a bit above the odds, you'll get a microSD card for your needs. Overall, with very fast speeds and being good at writing small files, it is a flagship for microSD cards. If you do a lot of filming, especially in 4K, then you'll need a reliable microSD card that can write large amounts of data fast, which is exactly what the Samsung Pro Plus can do. It features a U3 rating and read or write speeds of 160 MB per second and 120 MB per second respectively. The kind of speed that is ideal for not only handling day-to-day tasks, but also to shoot and store 4K videos. The value Samsung provides isn't just limited to performance. However, their card protection scheme is excellent and it will handle life's daily challenges with ease. It's rated for more insertion cycles than most could ever need, at least 10,000s. And there's also water protection, X-ray shielding, and so on. All of this with a 10-year warranty makes the Samsung Pro Plus one of the best choices for those who need a high-performance offering. Our pick for the best microSD card is the Samsung Evo Plus. Like the company's most other microSD card releases, the new Evo Plus features Samsung's 6 multi-proof protection, which comprises protection against water, temperature, X-ray, magnetic field, drop, and wear out. Despite not being the most fastest microSD card in the market, the Samsung Evo Plus's 100 MB per second read and 90 MB per second write speeds are impressive nonetheless. Not only that, but there are a wide variety of sizes to choose from too. So whether you need 32 GB of storage or 512 GB, you can rest assured you are in good hands. Samsung is known for releasing high-quality, affordable microSD cards, and their newest addition to the Evo Plus line is no exception. While the Samsung Pro Plus microSD card meets any need you might have for high-quality 4K videos and images, the Evo Plus does the job and more for the consumer side of things. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Insight.